Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the file you want to link and where the link will live. Once done, check permissions so you can create files in the target folder. Without write access, the link fails. Next, choose link type. Create a symbolic link to reference the original or a hard link to share the same inode on supported systems. This choice affects portability and behavior, so decide before moving on and keep the exact source path ready for the next step. You now create the link where you want it. Open your terminal or command prompt in the target folder, then run the appropriate command. On Unix or Mac OS, use lns source target, and on Windows, use mclink with the right flags. Make sure to quote paths that contain spaces and use exact file names, otherwise the command will fail or create the wrong target. Once the command runs, list the directory to confirm the link exists and points to the expected source. Finish by verifying the link works. Open the linked file or list it to ensure it points to the correct content. If you see errors, make sure the source path wasn't moved or deleted, and confirm you have permission to access both source and link locations. Sometimes relative versus absolute paths cause breakage, so adjust and recreate with an absolute path if needed. If problems persist, remove the faulty link and recreate it after fixing path or permission issues. That usually resolves it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.